Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Rebuilds, and this video that you're watching currently, we did not shoot multiple parts. This is just a one part video. I don't know, it could be 10 minutes long, but we picked it up from the auction and just rebuilt it. We didn't have time to shoot too much videos on it. This is another Subaru we're working on, which is this is gonna be a little more in depth, couple part videos. So if you guys want to check it out, subscribe. So enjoy this video, comment below if you guys like these kind of videos. Usually we're doing multiple part series, but this is going to be a one part series of this 2018 Subaru Legacy rebuild. This thing has about 30k miles, well 30,000 miles. As you guys could see, obvious damages up front, a little bit of frame. Already took it to the frame, so we didn't record it from the beginning, which we weren't planning to record it, but this is it. The frame is done. Now the rest is coming together, and we're gonna record some of it. It's just gonna be one video, probably like what, 10, 15 minutes or so. So as you guys can see right here, black, all black. The interior is black, which we'll show you guys the interior as well. Take a look inside. Airbags are blown. The roof airbag, wheel airbag. The dash airbag is not blown, which is a good. And I know we started a series on the other 2018 Subaru, the red one. That one it's coming. It's just taking a little longer. Hopping project to project, I understand, but but yeah, here's a little parts. There's some parts right there. The Evo is just sitting there. Actually, the Evo now is a storage shelf, as you could tell. It's turning into a shelf slowly. Here's some damaged parts from that thing. So yeah.
Alright guys, so we got this 2018 Legacy we're working on. So what happened with this car, when it got hit, the battery got hit, bursted, and it sprayed what seems to be battery acid on the side of the car. So we're going to try to wet sand it and buff it. If that doesn't work, then we're painting the whole side. So just trying it out. I got some 1200 or 1500 wet sandpaper and just squirt and sand. So we're gonna try it out. I'm gonna wet sand it today, and then we'll buff it some other day. So we're just gonna see what happens. Alright guys, so we're just continue working on this 2018 Legacy. Last time you guys seen it, I was buffing the doors. They had a bunch of little imperfections on them. I wet sanded them and buffed it. Looks good. just needs a little more buffing, maybe like a final coat just to get all the very small swirls out. And yeah, we also got the front end put together. It's pretty much all good to go. The bumper is just missing some brackets, so it's not lined up all the way perfect, but this is just so we can drop the car off for paint. And hopefully we can get it painted here pretty soon. We won't be doing this one ourselves. We're gonna have somebody paint it, that way it just gets done quicker. We don't have an air compressor in the shop, and we don't want to rattle can a whole big job like this, so we'll just have it painted, and that's pretty much all that's left, is just to get it painted. I already have most of the parts, might just need a couple miscellaneous things. So it's all good under the hood. We just we'll need to fix a couple tabs. We'll just do that once it's painted. And yeah, so everything is looking pretty good. Everything's lining up, and yeah, just need some paint and about a day's worth of put together, put the splash shields in, and yeah, we'll continue this for you guys in like 2 seconds, but this for us it could be a couple days. Alright guys, so this build is done. This was just a quick little montage video style, one part video. So yeah, let's go check it out. So obviously the hood, the bumper, the fenders were replaced, and the rest of the car is in good shape. Alright, so here's the interior. All the airbags were replaced. Back is in good shape, no damage. Then we can pop the hood. There's the motor, good to go. Everything works, everything is perfect. The gaps are perfect. Everything lines up. The headlights are nice. So car is good to go. So this was just a quick video, guys. Hope you liked it. It's just we don't always have time to do a bunch of parts on the car, so this is what it is. We kind of took little clips here and there of the whole rebuild, and hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, comment, subscribe, and until the next build.